How to do cycle count and physical inventory in the Cliqbux dashboard. Before starting a cycle count or physical inventory, make sure that all inventory adjustments have been completed. Ensure that all receiving transactions have been processed and that no further adjustments will be made after the database has been copied. Once everything is ready, log into the Cliqbux dashboard and select the store where you will perform the inventory. From the left navigation menu, click Inventory, then select Cycle Counts. Click Create Count to begin a new inventory count. Enter a name for your count. You may use any naming convention that works best for your business, such as the inventory date or department name. Next, you'll see the Show Expected Quantity option. When this option is enabled, the scanner will display the expected quantity for each item during the count. When it is disabled, the expected quantity will be hidden, allowing for a blind count. For this demonstration, we'll keep the Show Expected Quantity option enabled. Click Add Items. If you're performing a physical inventory, click Add All to include every inventory item in the selected store. If you're performing a cycle count, you can filter the items by vendor, category, or item location to count only a specific group of products. For example, we'll filter the inventory by vendor. After selecting the desired vendor, click Apply. The system will display all items associated with that vendor. Click Add All to include those items in the count. Once all the required items have been added, click Save as Draft. Saving as a draft allows you to review or continue the inventory at a later time without starting the count immediately. When you're ready to begin counting, locate the saved draft and click View to open the inventory count and start the counting process. Before you begin counting, you can still edit the inventory count by adding or removing items as needed. Once everything is ready, click Ready to Count. This action prepares the inventory count and locks all selected items. After the count is marked as Ready to Count, no additional items can be added or removed. If any inventory transactions, such as receiving, damages, or manual adjustments, occur after the count has been locked, the system will detect the changes when you attempt to post the inventory. It will notify you that some items have changed and will require you to perform a separate cycle count for those affected items. After marking the count as ready, click Count. You can organize your inventory by creating sections. For example, create Section 1, Section 2, Section 3, or any section names that match your store layout. Click Add after entering each section. You may create as many sections as needed. Once your sections have been created, the inventory status will change to In Progress. Now, switch to your handheld scanner. Log in using your assigned PIN. Before starting the count, verify that the scanner is running the latest version of the application. Open Inventory Management, tap the three-dot menu, and select Cycle Count. Select the inventory count you created from the dashboard. Next, choose the section assigned to you. For example, If you are responsible for Section 1, tap Section 1 to begin. Scan each item within your assigned section. If Show Expected Quantity was enabled, the scanner will display the expected quantity for each item. Enter the actual quantity found, then continue scanning until all items in your section have been counted. When a section has been completed, return to the dashboard. Open the section and review the scanned items. If everything is correct, click Mark as Counted. If you need a printed copy of the section, click the print icon before marking it as counted. Repeat this same process for all remaining sections until every area of the store has been counted. If necessary, counted sections can be reprinted at any time by opening the completed section and selecting Print. After all sections have been completed, click Mark as Count Sheet Completed. The system will ask for confirmation before continuing. If there are items that were included in the inventory count but were never scanned, you'll receive a notification. You'll have two options: set uncounted items to 0. Any items that were not scanned will have their inventory quantity updated to 0. Skip uncounted items. The current inventory quantity for those items will remain unchanged. Choose the option that best fits your inventory process. Return to the dashboard and refresh the page. The inventory status will now display Counted. Before posting the inventory, you can review the results in detail. You'll be able to see all counted items, uncounted items, zero-count items, inventory variances, overage, and shortage quantities. You can also filter the results by section to verify what was scanned in each area of the store. For example, selecting Section 1 will display only the items counted in that section. You may also export the inventory results to Excel, including detailed counted entries for each section. This report is useful for reviewing discrepancies, auditing inventory, or keeping a permanent record of the count. After reviewing and confirming that everything is accurate, click Mark as completed. The system will display a final confirmation message. Once confirmed, the inventory will be posted, and the quantities in the system will be updated based on your completed count. The inventory status will change to completed. You can return to the completed count at any time to review the results, exported reports, and counted items for future reference. And that's how you do cycle counts and physical inventory to the Cliqbux system. Thank you for watching.